So today we are going to do this activity. It's a hands-on activity on searching and browsing the internet. So let's see how much you have understood about searching and browsing. So first step is you will open a web browser. So yes, I have opened a web browser. Second step is open any one search engine. So I'll open a new tab and then open any one search engine. Now Google is a search engine that I prefer. So I'll type in the address bar www.google.com and click on enter on my keyboard. So this is the Google home page. Everybody knows this. Now let's see what is the next step. The next step is in the search bar you will type solar system and gather information about the same. You need to go through variety of websites. Now, where is the search bar? Can you see this Google written in colorful? So, just below that, this is called as the search bar. Search bar is the place where you type the topic that you want to search about. So, I'll type the topic that is solar system and then click on enter key on my keyboard. Now, see so many websites that has opened in front of me. Different variety of websites, right? So I'll go through these websites one by one. Take your time, go through the website, see what information is given on each website, see if the information suits your need or is it useful for your topic, and then you can take that information into the Google Doc that you will be creating. So let's create a Google Doc first. So the next step is create a Google Doc and name it as solar system. So let's open one more tab and then on the top right corner you see the 9 dots, that is the rubrics, and in the 9 dots I have the docs of application. So I'll click on docs. Once I click on docs, Google Docs homepage will open in front of me. Once the Google Doc homepage opens, I see there is a blank document. So yes, we need a blank document, right? So I'll click on the blank document and let the blank document get loaded properly. Once it is loaded, we will rename the document as solar system. Yes, correct. So let's rename the document as solar system. Click on enter key on the keyboard so as the name gets saved. Now I have done renaming the document. Now let's see what is the next step. Now in the Google Doc, type the heading of the document as per your choice. Now in the Google Doc, the heading will be my choice. So let's see what should I keep the heading as. Let's keep it as solar system only. So this is my heading. I can keep the heading in the center. So let's center align this heading. I can make it a little bit bigger in size. So to make it bigger in size, select the heading and then increase the font size. Now once I'm done doing this, I can change the alignment. Now what is the next step? I am done with the heading, right? So what is the next step? Then you will copy and paste the URL of the website that you went to, and then below the URL you will type the information that you got from that website. Instead of typing, you can also copy and paste the information that you got from that website. So the first step is you will copy and paste the URL of the website that you liked. So let's open one website. Suppose, okay, let's open this website and let's see what information is there on this website. Once I open this website, wow, it's a very nice picture, right? So I like the picture that is given over here. So let's copy this URL first. To copy the URL, I'll select the URL and right click on the URL, click copy option, or you can also use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+C. Once I'm done this, I'll come back to the Google Doc. I'll number it as 1 and then I'll do paste, that is Ctrl+V. Now below this URL, I have successfully copied and pasted this one URL. Now below this URL, you need to write information that you liked on that website. So apart from information, I like the image that is given on this website. See this image, it's very nice. So I'll copy this image. Right click on the image, select copy image option, come back to the Google Doc and then select the paste option, that is Ctrl+V, and the image comes in your document. Now apart from the image, there is information about planet Pluto, but we are talking about solar system. So let's, okay, over here there is information about solar system, so I can copy this information. The order of the planet is given starting from Mercury. So I'll copy this information and paste it in the Google Doc. You can also edit this, whatever is written over here. You can make it in different color. Suppose I choose this red color, make it a little bit bigger so it is easy to read. Now I'll suggest don't copy much of a information, copy a little bit only, because you need to do this for the whole Google Doc. Okay, so I have done this. Okay, isn't it looking nice? Okay, so this is the activity that you need to do. You can also edit this the way you want to. It's fine. You can paste the URL, it's fine if you don't want to number this. You can also decorate it. You can change the font type the way you want to. You can also make it underline. You can also make it bold. It's looking nice now. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is the activity that you need to do. I hope it was useful.